Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with minimal steps that solve most hangs. Remove the case and put the phone on a flat surface to cool. Next, perform a force restart by holding power and volume until it reboots. This clears transient kernel locks. Once done, plug in the original charger and charge for 15-30 minutes to ensure battery-related slowdowns aren't masking the problem. If prompted, boot into normal mode and observe app behavior for immediate hangs before moving to deeper fixes. You now dig into causes. Boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps are responsible. Safe mode disables add-ons so hangs from apps become obvious. Once confirmed, uninstall the most recent or heavy apps and make sure background sync settings aren't overloaded. If hangs persist, clear the app cache for offending apps or, on Android, wipe the system cache partition to remove corrupted temporary files. Make sure to back up important data before deeper cleanups so nothing is lost. You finish by taking decisive action. Back up photos and contacts, then perform a factory reset if software fixes fail. This restores factory settings and usually eliminates persistent hangs. Once reset, install system updates and firmware immediately to patch known bugs. If the phone still freezes, especially during boot or when charging, suspect hardware issues like failing storage or overheating. In that case, contact an authorized repair service. Troubleshooting tip: if freezes are intermittent, log times and apps to spot patterns for the technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.